Welcome to our series of video in factoring polynomial. The goal of this video to continue the factoring the difference between two squares. A square means a times a. You get a square. Three b quantity square. This means 3b times 3b. 3b times 3b. You multiply the term by itself. You get 3b quantity square. 3 times 3 you get 9. And b times b you get b square. Y square quantity square, this means y square times y square. And y square times y square, you get y to the power of 4 because I add the exponent. 2 plus 2 is 4. I need to write y to the power of 4. I need to write y to the power of 4 as quantity square, which is y square, because y square times y square, you get y to the power of 4. We are going to write this as y square quantity square. I have 9a square. What's the term I multiply by itself? Give me 9a square, which is 3a times 3a. You multiply the term by itself, you get 9a square. Last one. What is the term when you multiply by itself? You get 25b square, which is 5b times 5b. 5b times 5b. 5b times 5b, or 5b quantity square. 5b quantity square. I need to multiply 4 minus a square times 4 plus a square. We multiply first time first, I get the first term. I get 16 here. Negative a square times positive. Negative times positive, you get negative. A square times a square, you get a to the power of 4. Because you want to multiply the variable, you add the exponent. A to the power of 4. The inner product, which is negative a square, 4a square. This is the inner product, negative 4a square. And the outer product, which is 4. I have different sign, I subtract. 4 minus 4, you get 0. I mean, the middle term disappear. And I can write this as 16 minus a to the power of 4. And 16, I can write it as 4 square. And a to the power of 4, I can write this as a square quantity square. And this became the difference between two squares. When I factor this, I factor it to 4 minus a square and 4 plus a square. To multiply these two binomials, y cubed times y cubed, when I multiply, I add the exponent, 3 plus 3, not 9. 3 plus 3, I add them, not multiply them. I get y to the power of 6. Last, like y cubed times y cubed. You get y to the power of 6. Last time last, you get the last term. Negative 5 times 5, you get 25. The inner product, which is negative 5y cubed, negative 5y cubed. The outer product, which is positive 5y cubed. This is cancel each other. The result is 0. Means I'm going to write this as y to the power of 6 minus 25. I can write this as the difference between two squares, like this, minus I'm going to write here y cubed. I'm going to write here 5. And here square. Y cubed quantity square, which is y to the power of 6. And 25 is 5 squared. And this became the difference between two squares. When you factor this, you factor y cubed minus 5 and y cubed plus 5. I need to factor y to the power of 4 minus 9. Means y to the power of 4, which is y square, quantity square, minus 3 square. This is y to the power of 4, and this is 9. 3 square. And now this became the difference between two squares. When I need to factor this, I factor to a minus b, a plus b. A here is y square, and b is 3. To factor this is y square minus 3 and y square plus b plus 3. To factor y to the power of 4 minus 9 square, 9x square. You factor y to the power of 4 as y square here, quantity square. I'm going to write this in a minute. And 9x square means 3x times 3x. Means 3x quantity square, 3x times 3x, I get 9x square. This is y to the power of 4, and this is 9x square, which is 3x times 3x. Now this became the difference between two squares. A represents y square, and B represents 3x. When I factor this, I factor y square minus 3x and y square plus 3x. Y square plus 3x. A minus b and a plus b. A is y square, b is 3x. This is your homework. Please try it on your own. Please, if you have any question, write it in the comment below. And thank you for watching.